Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be going to show you how can we use a housekeeping file using a simple txt file. So now for that, first of all we need to know the purpose of housekeeping file. So in our daily life we access many websites, we create new user IDs, new passwords, we access many banks, we use credit cards, debit cards and many things in our life. So at some point we forget many of our things. So that's why we use a housekeeping file. Housekeeping file stores all the information you have in one place. You can enter it by yourself and you store it in one place, and in case if you forget anything you can access it quickly. So now some of the important things which we use in housekeeping file are it can be any important websites link, it can be IDs and passwords, and the family infos like the medical info of your family and the school info of your family, and also some of your emergency contacts. And sometimes we can also store our emails and passwords like that. And the benefits for using a housekeeping file is it saves so much of your time. Like you spend many of your time recalling what was the ID, what was the password. So you can just simply open a file, view it, and copy it and paste it. Yeah, so that's what stands for housekeeping file. Now next we will see how we can make a housekeeping. Now the next slide is how can we create a txt file in notepad and use it as a housekeeping file. First of all, you look at this points. You may take a screenshot or save it in your laptop. I will show you how it can be done. As you can see, this is the screen of my laptop. Here in the bottom left, I find a start option. I just click on the start and I search for notepad, and as you can see, I can see it here. I just click on enter, and yeah, this is a plain file. It has nothing, no lines, no columns, no nothing. It's just a plain file. Here I can type whatever I need, anything. It can be numbers or symbols or capital letters or anything. So here I have made an example or sample. As you can see, this is one of the sample I made. Here you can see I have some of my important things, like I have some websites which I visit daily, some important addresses or some important email IDs, and it can be even your bank information. Yeah, you can store it as you want. Now, if I have a very big file and I cannot find something, I need to search for something. So here on the edit section, I have a find option. I just click on the find option, and here maybe I might be searching for IDs. I just type on IDs and click on enter, and as you can see, I find here my email IDs. Now if I don't need my email IDs, I need another ID which is my personal ID. So I just again click on edit, I go on find, I click on IDs, or even I can type personal. Yeah, I can type personal, and as you can see, I find here my personal IDs, and under that I can find all my things. So yeah, that's how simple it is. Now if suppose I don't like the font of this thing, I can just click on view, I can just click on format, and I click on word wrap. Under that I find the font, I click on font, and here I can select the size of the font. I can make it very big, I can make it very big, I can make it very small. Yeah, it depends upon your choice, and you can change the font and font style. So now to save a housekeeping file, I just click on the file option and I click on the save as. Here I move to the desktop so that it can be pinned to my start, and I just click on save. So I already have it saved on my desktop, so I'm not gonna save it. Yeah, so if I save it on the desktop, I can find it here, like I have one already here, so I will not save it. Now let's move to the next thing. is how we can mail a file. So now to mail a file, you just need to open Google with your email ID logged in and just search for Gmail. I just search for Gmail and I click on the Gmail here. Okay, and my Gmail gets opened. As you can see, this is my Gmail. Alright, so here I have a compose section on the very left. I just click on compose. I move in here. I see a pop-up here. Here I can attach my file. So I just click on attach file, and here I can find it in the downloads, and as you can see, it has been attached as housekeeping.txt, and here I write the email address. It can be even mine or someone others, so I'll just type mine. Alright, I just type mine and I set the subject as housekeeping file. Housekeeping file. And I just click on send over here, and here we go. As you can see, we have sent the file with one attachment, that is our housekeeping file. So I can either download it or I can add to my drive, and even I can open it. And here you see, this is the txt file which we saw later, and it is the exact same, as you can see. So yeah, that's how we mail a txt file. Now we will move on and see how we can open it on our mobile. Alright, as you can see, this is the screen of my mobile. So to access this file on my mobile, I'll just open the Gmail, and in the later session we saw how we can mail a file. So I'll just open that mail, and here I will download the file, and I'll just open it with the Chrome, and this was the file which we sent. You can check it. Yeah, this is the same file which we sent. Now if I want to find something in the mobile itself, I just click on the three dots on the top, and here I find the option of find in page under the share, and just click on it. Here I can again search what I need. So again I will need my ID, which is personal IDs. So it shows you all the IDs over here, and you can check. Now if you don't need that, you can just, if you need something specified over here, I'll just type on personal IDs. Yeah, so this is how we can search even in the mobile. In this video we learned how we can use a housekeeping file using txt, and hope you like the video, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.